this video, I'll be showing you how to set up Mission Planner, AeroHawk Maps, and the File Transfer Wizard. To begin, we gotta go to aerohawk.com. Next, we gotta go to the software. And all the downloads are right here. You want to download Mission Planner, AeroHawk File Transfer Wizard v2, and either AeroHawk Maps 2D or AeroHawk Maps. This one's the free download. So I'll begin with Mission Planner. It will start downloading down here. Once that's done downloading, go ahead and click on this arrow and click open. You want to click install anyway and run through this wizard. So I'll click next, accept, next, next, install. Go ahead and click yes. Go ahead and click next on the drivers. And finish. I'm going to go ahead and launch Mission Planner so we can set it up in there and also click finish. So here we have Mission Planner. Here's your virtual horizon. Your Quicks tab will show you the altitude, speed. Messages tab, here you'll see anything that's wrong with the drone, if it's complaining or anything. To begin, after you download Mission Planner and install it, you want to go to the config and tuning tab. Here you want to make sure that your distance units are what you prefer them to be. They could be meters or feet. Your altitude units, meters or feet, and your speed, meters per second, miles per hour, whatever you prefer, but just make sure that you got these correct, because places are limited to flying at 400 feet, which translates to 120 meters. So if you think you're flying in meters, but you're really flying in feet, then you'll be flying at 120 feet if you put 120 meters in when you create a flight plan. So that's why it's important to set these up correctly. Now we'll be pinning this to the taskbar. Pin the taskbar, and that makes it so that this icon always stays here. So once I close it, it's still there for future purposes. Now we're going to download AeroHawk Maps File Transfer Wizard. So just go to Drone Products again, Software, AeroHawk File Transfer Wizard version 2.0, and it'll start downloading. Once that's done, go ahead and click Open when done. Right click and go to Extract All and press Extract and wait for this to complete. Once that's done, go ahead and click on File Transfer. In here you'll want to find the application type, AeroHawk File Transfer Wizard v2.exe. You're going to double click on it, more info, run anyway. And here we have the file transfer wizard. You'll be using this to download the camera pictures. Right now I don't have a drone available to download pictures, so we're gonna go ahead and pin this to the taskbar so we can use it later. Go ahead and close it out. Finally, to download AeroHawk Maps, you're going to want to log into your account or create an account here in the register. We'll go to Drone Products, Software, AeroHawk Maps free download, get link, proceed to checkout, get link, here you'll be presented with your activation code and the download link. Click on download. Once that's done, click on the arrow, press open, more info, run anyway. Click on yes. Once that's done installing, go to your Windows button, AeroHawk Maps. You'll want to right click, more, run as administrator. And on the window that pops up, click yes. Now here is where we'll need to use the license key. I'll be copying and pasting it. And then I'm going to hit submit. License key has been activated. Press OK. And here you have AeroHawk Maps. Now I'm going to pin it to the taskbar like the past two programs. And now we'll have all the programs we need for the FieldHawk down here. Mission Planner for your mission planning, the File Transfer Wizard to download your pictures, and AeroHawk Maps to analyze your photos.